Hey guys, here's a review for an awesome plugin called Covert Video Content. This plugin works super well and integrates with the Covert Video Press theme. So you should really think about buying both of them together. However, if you have a normal site that you just want to start adding some videos on, automatically having video posts drip feed in via keywords, then you can use the Covert Video Content as well, and it will just start creating posts on autopilot for you to use on your website, similar to other plugins that I have done like AutoTube, One-Click Video, or Instant Video Site. Now, the Covert Video Content, like I said, it works really well with the Covert Video theme. So in this video, I am going to show you how to run the Covert Video Content plugin with the Covert Video Press theme. So here it is. To get started, all you do is load up the plugin, install it, add new plugin. Then you'll say you must enter your keywords. If you want help, you can click here, and then you can add videos automatically from YouTube, Dailymotion, Metcafe, and Vimeo. So to get started, just throw in your keywords here, and it gives you a little directions if you needed phrase, add quotes. So let's just do some different videos. We'll do Spencer Kaufman, so that way it'll start grabbing my videos. Let's throw in some viral videos. Epic in quotes fails, whoops, AILS, and then let's do maybe funny animals. Those all get some good views. That way we'll get some viral content going. Then we'll scroll down. It will automatically create new posts for your keywords, and you can set them to draft or published. Well, I would rather have them be published automatically. You can have tags created automatically, so we're going to do that. That way when your posts are shared, it will throw those tags in with your Twitter posts or hashtags on Twitter or Instagram, anywhere else that hashtags are used. Don't create these tags. You could throw in burner words that are nothing. You can add comments, store video thumbnail images locally or on the server. I recommend definitely having them hot linked on the server. That way if they're ever updated, they will automatically be updated on your site. Now, you can have ranks or ratings, a 5-star system with each of these videos, and you can have it automatically start rating the videos on your website. So I recommend doing this because that way when people arrive on your website, it will look like people have already watched it and that it's getting ranked. So we'll set the initial video rating between 1 and 5 stars. You can also use view count automatically. So what we'll do is use it from the API if available. That means if you pull a video from YouTube that has 1 million views, it'll show up on your site with 1 million views. Otherwise, if that's not available, then you can just set the initial video count between whichever numbers you like. 2 and 500 seems good to me. Then you can choose who is going to author each of your posts. So this is the default, would be your username. Now if you want, you can have random people assigned to your posts so it looks like a ton of different people are posting content to your site. I think this is pretty cool. So what we'll do is I'm going to say create 100 random authors, and it has all these names. Look at all these first names, and it will randomly match them up with all these last names. And then you just hit update settings, and you'll see here it says created 100 new authors, settings are updated, your keywords are entered. So now all you need to do is go to the Covert Video Content and specify your keywords for each of the sites that you want it to be pulled from. So we'll start with YouTube. Okay, once configured, set this module active and start blogging. Yes, that means it will automatically drip feed YouTube videos to your website. You can create between 1 and, let's just say, 3 posts every so many hours. So I would want maybe YouTube to post every maybe 60 hours, so it's every few days. You'll need to create and get a YouTube API key, and you can do so by clicking here. Otherwise, if you already have your API key, you can simply paste it in there. You can choose to restrict or add certain video categories on YouTube, and we'll just keep it as grabbing from all categories. You can search, we'll sort it by relevance, any language, no filtering. You can choose what categories you want to post your videos to. So we'll just have it say post to one category selected randomly, post to a category that matches a keyword, create if no match. This is what I recommend. That way you will have each category matching each one of the keywords you created. And then once you're done, you just hit update settings. And you'll see here it says settings are updated. Now you can go to the next one, daily motion. Create between 1 and 3 posts every, let's do this one at 72 hours. You'll see here it says you can choose it from all channels, sort video by however you like. We'll do relevance, post a category that matches keyword, create if no match. Then update the settings. Oh, we forgot to check this. So we'll check this. This is important. Auto blogging means that it will run on autopilot. So you'll never have to come back to your website again. It will automatically continue posting videos, 1 to 3 posts every 3 days. So let's go down to Met Cafe, and here we'll set auto blogging. Let's do 1 and 3 posts. We'll do this one every 50 hours. And then create our category if no match. Sort videos by, let's do, most rated, all categories, update settings. And then the last one, Vimeo, 1 and 3 posts. Let's do this one at every 65 hours. Match our keyword to the category. Keyword search in title and content. Retrieve videos by user. You can enter a username. So Vimeo is the only one that you'll need to get a little bit more specific with, because it's group, channel, album, and you have to enter the name. So for us, I'm just going to leave it as user, and I'm not going to put in a username, so you'll see this probably won't work for us. We'll check that to active, update settings, and it says please enter a username. So let's just throw in, I think that's a user on Vimeo. We'll just throw that in there, and settings are updated. So now what you can do is go back to the main settings, and then you'll see here it says auto blogging. We're all set for yes. Last run we haven't done anything. Next run we haven't done anything. So what you need to do now is it says it's scheduled for today at 6:44. Hit run now, so that way it'll go instantly, and they'll say a last run, next run, and we will be able to view some posts. Now you see it says following errors occurred. Daily motion, the reason it can't find anything. Met Cafe can't connect to the feed. That'll happen. So it says order by rating. Basically it couldn't find anything for the keyword Spencer Kaufman. That'll happen. That's why it's very important for you to have multiple keywords. If at any time you want to change your keywords, you just enter them in right here, hit save, and it automatically saves them for all of these networks. So now we have presumably retrieved maybe between 10 and 12 posts. Let's go ahead and view them by clicking on posts and going to our all posts. And you can see we have different videos that were grabbed. Basically it looks like only a few. So that's alright. Let's view one of these. And you can see it is auto playing. It has I have integrated this with the Covert Video Press theme, so it has the default like and share buttons here. In addition, I have the Covert Social Buzz Pro plugin, which is this, where it says it looks like the posts are going viral, and it automatically updates the number to match the total for all of these numbers. So I really recommend that. In addition, you'll notice that it grabbed the YouTube video description and posted it here. This is not from YouTube though, this one is from Vimeo. So it grabbed that. Down here it assigned a rating automatically. It showed some views automatically. It threw in some tags, put it in a category, and then throwed some related videos on there with ratings and some random number of views. So it's automatically advertising for your other videos as well. You have the featured scrolling slider here. Here's a test post that I did, so this is not a video, just throws a random video image in there. You see here's our category menu, recently added, trending. So if we go here, this is how the Covert Video Press theme displays the videos on your page. So they look really nice. We'll click on one of these. This one looks like it would be from YouTube. and it's got the full description in there. And then it says it has 307 views, 5-star rating, created all these tags. That's pretty cool. Look at this one, says it has 492 views. Basically, using the Covert Video Content plugin is an excellent way to make it look like your site is getting tons of views, your videos are getting tons of views. It also really helps with drip feeding in video posts to your website, making them look like they're going viral and getting a lot of views, a lot of traffic, which encourages people to watch them and share them. The Covert Video Content plugin works best with the Covert Video Press theme. It integrates really well. It shows this cool layout. However, you can still use the Covert Video Content plugin without the Covert Video Press theme. You can use it on your site as a standalone plugin and automatically drip feed posts and create posts for your website. Either way, I highly recommend using any Covert product you can get your hands on. The Covert Video Press theme is phenomenal. It's excellent. It's very easy to use. It looks really good. And the Covert Video Content plugin, as you can see, works well, and I highly recommend it. Go ahead and pick it up from the description here. Click on the link and get it today.